The Google Pixel 9a is finally here, and while we knew almost everything about it before launch, now it's official. But does it live up to the hype? Today, we're breaking down the 5 biggest upgrades and all the key specs you need to know before you buy. If you're thinking about picking one up, the Pixel 9a starts at $499/499, with pre-orders open now and shipping beginning on March 26. But before you press that buy button, let's dive into what makes this phone stand out. First up, battery life. The Pixel 9a packs a massive 5,100 mAh battery, bigger than the Pixel 8a and even larger than the flagship Pixel 9 and 9 Pro. Google claims this gives you over 30 hours of battery life or up to 100 hours in extreme battery saver mode. Charging gets a boost too, with 23 watts wired and 7.5 watts wireless charging, an upgrade over the Pixel 8a's 18 watts wired speeds. Powering the Pixel 9a is the new Tensor G4 chip, the same processor found in the Pixel 9 series. While it may not match the raw power of Apple's A18 or Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, it delivers smoother performance, better efficiency, and a solid AI experience. However, there are some trade-offs. The Pixel 9a has a more limited AI model and lacks satellite SOS due to an older modem. Google has made some bold design choices this year. Unlike the rest of the Pixel 9 lineup, the 9a ditches the signature camera bar in favor of a new flush camera design inspired by water droplets. It also features a new scratch-resistant 6.3-inch Actua display with a peak brightness of 2,700 nits, 35% brighter than the Pixel 8a. Plus, the Pixel 9a is tougher than before, now rated IP68 for water and dust resistance. Google is calling this its best-in-class camera, and it's easy to see why. The Pixel 9a features a new 48-megapixel f1.7 main camera alongside a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It also introduces macro focus to the A series for the first time, allowing you to capture detailed close-ups. And of course, it comes packed with Google's AI-powered photography tools like Best Take, Magic Editor, and the new Add Me feature. Speaking of AI, the Pixel 9a inherits all the intelligence of the Pixel 9 series. With Google Gemini built in, you get access to features like Circle to Search, Gemini Live for natural conversations, and even safety tools like car crash detection and theft detection. Plus, Google is promising 7 years of software and security updates, meaning this phone will stay smart for years to come. So, should you buy the Pixel 9a? At $499, it's packing serious value. You're getting a flagship-level processor, impressive cameras, AI-driven features, and a bright, durable display, all at a mid-range price. Google nailed it with the Pixel 9a, but is it the best mid-range phone of 2024? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech reviews.